Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 247. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 2. 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 5 here, so 9, 5. For this row now, we're just missing a 5. For this row, we're missing an 8. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got the 5 here and 9 here, so this is our 7. 7 and 9 here, so 5, 9. That 7 makes this our 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this box, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row now, we're just missing a 5. For this row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 4, 5, 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 5. That makes this our 4, 9. That 4 makes this our 5. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.